Now kids, I'm going to color rainbow colors on this whole bookmark. So I have again used the masking table all across the bookmark. Now I'm going to start with my blue color. This is my light blue color. It looks dark on the palette. So this is my blue color. Use as much water to make it little watery, but while coming on the paper, just be careful that it only the brush has the water and there is no drops falling from the brush, okay, any paint, okay. So let's start. Blue color from the top, and I'm going to take it right at the bottom, take it down, and then immediately I'm going to take my purple color. See that the color is light and little watery, okay, and I'm going to take the purple color down. Now I'm going to take my pink color. This is my pink. It looks red but it's pink color, and I'm going to take it a little bit down. See that you have enough water, otherwise the borders will not get filled up, the corners, okay. Now I'm going to take little bit of orange color. So keep in mind that you keep on washing your brush and wiping it off with your cloth once you're taking the lighter colors, okay. Now I'm taking a lighter yellow and filling up the I'm getting this lines in between because I'm talking to you all and doing. Otherwise you need to be very quick and you shouldn't let the color dry while you're doing this. So this is how it's done, okay. So no worries if we are doing it for the first time. If you get this lines also, it looks nice. After all, it's an art. Let it get dried up. So once this gets dried up, what we are going to do, we are going to glue this colored portion behind and stick this on this whiter part, white bookmark. See that you leave an even space all around the corner. So this is how you will get it. Now what I'm going to do is, I've taken a piece of paper, I have punched some flowers on it, and you can see this flowers, I've punched it, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this on the bookmark and use my white paint, okay, to make some prints. So this will be my print, and see that you don't use too much of water. See that your paint is as much dry while making this, okay. Now I have placed this flower and I'm going to just remove this, and you can see the print of the flower. So if you don't have any flower punch machine, you can also try it directly with your white paint on your bookmark, okay. So this is how our print is done on the rainbow colored bookmark. Look at this. You can be creative by using some sparkle right at the center of the flower, and you can use colorful flowers also. Howsoever, be creative in doing this. So now we are going to do the next. in this rainbow kind of coloring, I had done this flowers. You can also do clouds. Okay, so just dab, take your paintbrush and just very little, I want to use very little water in this and just dab on it to form a cloud, whatever shape like you want. So this is how I'm doing clouds. Okay, now what we are going to do is the third one. We are going to take blue color with loads of water in it. Just bring it down. Okay, then similarly take purple color, then just smudge it and bring it little down. Take little pink color, so very light, and just bring it down. And then we'll take a little, we'll just wash off the brush, dry it with the cloth, and the last is yellow color, and we are going to start from the bottom and then go up, and that's how we will do this. It's quite easy if you keep on practicing. Wash off the brush and let the bookmark get dried up, and then we'll do some design. So once this gets dried up, just remove your masking tape from the bookmark very carefully. Once you remove from the masking tape, what we are going to do is we are going to draw the border, the black border for this bookmark. Okay, so here, so this will enhance your drawing. So after this border, what I'm going to do, I'm using my pencil and I'm writing a word, smile. Okay, and I'm going to take my black color pen and just write on it. So you may write any words that you like and then punch on it, and the bookmark is ready.